Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use for Bollinger Band strategy. I will explain you clearly. And Bollinger Band, we can see three types of lines. This is a upper Bollinger Band and this is a middle Bollinger Band. This is a lower Bollinger Band. Okay, these three types of lines. You can see the Bollinger Bands. So first time, how to use this price action, and first price action is resistance levels to, it is going to more support level, it resistance level to support level going to price action after it break out the middle Bollinger Band. After breakout middle Bollinger Band, it's make a retracement this level, touch and rejection. You can try to place a higher option at this level. At this candle you can try to place a higher option blindly. Okay, so use for this only first time resistance level to support level, it's going to price action after breakout this middle Bollinger Band, and after make a retracement, after breakout it's make a retracement candle closing point at the level, you can try to place a higher option after touch and rejection. Okay, and this scenario you can use the blindly this strategy. Okay, I will explain you this market clearly. Okay, this is a OTC market, no problem. We will check the market, good market. Okay, this is a buyers and sellers enter the market, very good. Let me show you. It's going to popular and Bollinger Band. You can select the Bollinger Band, and this is a 14 line. You can choose the just one number below. You can choose the 13 line. Okay, you can apply same. Okay, you can apply same. So I will explain what is the strategy. This is a higher Bollinger Band, this is a middle Bollinger Band, this is a lower Bollinger Band. Now first time price action resistance levels to directly going to support level. Okay, this type of market don't use first time resistance level to support level. After break the middle of the trend, a middle of line, after breakout candle closing at the level, you can try to place a higher option. Okay, only this a higher option you can use only first time. Okay, don't use second time. Again going to up, again closing point at the level, don't try to place a higher option second time. Okay, and this is a condition, use only first time. Okay, I will show you. Let's see, this is a Euro GPI pair and this is a live market. So we want first time and resistance level to touch the support level after breakout. Okay, this is a breakout, no, and first time breakout, now we are make a support level. Okay, there is no rejection, but this is a risky trade. Okay, still it's working, make a higher option. Okay, it's a working at this point, and this is a winning trade, this is a winning trade. Let's see, and again resistance level to support level, and now we are make a retracement after candle closing point at the level, we can try to place a higher option, and this also working. And next, this upper Bollinger, there is no touch the support level. Let us see, and now this also you can see resistance level to touch the support level. Now we want to break out the middle line. After breakout closing point at the level, touch and rejection, you can try to place a higher option, and this also winning trade. Don't use the second time, sometimes it's going to move down. Okay, first time is working 90%. Okay, you can check the next one. You can see this is a resistance level to touch the support level. This is a resistance level to touch the support level. After breakout we want touch and rejection, can try to place a higher option. Okay, now you can see this is a touch and resistance level and touch and support level. After breakout, now first time touch the rejection middle Bollinger Bond, can try to place a higher option. Okay, how many trades explain you? 6 trades, and 1 2 and 3. Let's see, you can see this is a 4 and going to down, this is a 5. Okay, this is a breakout. A touch and rejection, this is a touch and rejection, but there is a long wick. Okay, closing point at the level, you can try to place a higher option. This is a breakout. Okay, okay, and resistance level to support level. So we want breakout and touch and rejection, but this is a very weak. Wick is high, still it respected. This wick is closing at the level, there is a weak seller's entry, again some buyer's entry, respected also. Okay, this strategy is working 90%, it's giving a best winning ratio. Okay, now first time it's resistance level to support level. Now we want to break out. You can see this is a resistance level and support level. Now we want to break out, closing point at the level, and try to place a higher option. Okay, this is a strategy, it's giving a 90%. Now this type of market, what is this? And don't use this ranging bone market. Okay, this type of ranging bone market not working. After this a downtrend market or uptrend market, it's giving a good winning ratio. Okay, let's see, and this is a downtrend market, this is a ranging market. Okay, don't use the ranging market, and this is a good market. You can see this is a resistance level, this is a support level, it's going to move down. There is no respect at the market, but this is a very strong momentum. Okay, and it's going to move down, it's going to up, and candle closing at the level, you can try to place a higher option. This also make a doji candle. Okay, it's not giving a loss, and after breakout resistance level to downtrend market, after breakout and candle closing at the level, you can try to place a higher option. Okay, okay, it's a first time use only. Okay, don't use the second time. You can see again candle closing at the level, there is no respected. Okay, first time support level, resistance level to touch the support level, after breakout we want use this strategy. It's giving a 90% of winning ratio. This strategy use for only first time. Okay, let's check the other pair. Let's see, okay, Bollinger Bond and 13, apply. And this is a resistance level to touch the support level, after breakout and touch and rejection, you can try to place a higher option. Okay, and this also resistance level and support level, and we want breakout. Okay, and after breakout and again candle closing at the level, you can try to place a higher option. Okay, okay, most of the time it's working this strategy. You can place a 10 trades, at least 8 trades are winning this strategy. Okay, and it's going to resistance level to support level, after breakout candle closing at the level, you can try to place a higher option only first time. Okay, this is only buying strategy, Bollinger Bond. Okay, you can choose the 13 line and okay, Bollinger Bond, you can use the 13 to apply the market. You can trade a middle of the Bollinger Bond. Okay, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, joining my Telegram video course. Thank you.